In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Phantom Wallet to Crypto.com. So from our Phantom Wallet homepage, we're going to click on Send. And in here, we're going to select our crypto that we want to send to Crypto.com. And I'm going for Solana. And in here, we need to paste in the address. And for that, we are going to our Crypto.com app. And in our Crypto.com app, we're going to click on Deposit from the home screen. And in here, we're going to click on Crypto. And in here, we're going to select the same crypto as we selected in Phantom Wallet, which is Solana, but of course can be any other crypto coin. And right now we need to select the network. So we're going to click on this and select SOL. And now we see our wallet address, and we can either scan this QR code or we can copy this to our clipboard. And now we are going back to Phantom Wallet to paste it in. And as you can see, we have pasted this from our clipboard, and now we can click on Next. And now we can enter the amount of Solana that we want to transfer. So I'm going for the maximum amount of Solana I have in my account. So I'm going to click on Next. So right now, the only thing you need to do is click on Send down below to make this transfer final. And that is how you transfer crypto from Phantom Wallet to Crypto.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.